Hello friends, welcome to Bank Nifty prediction for Jan 11 by Harmonic Traders. This is your Arun. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. Before getting into Bank Nifty, we have an interesting pattern formed in Nifty PSU. So today public sector bank, this is the reason why Bank Nifty rallied. In both the cases, the open and low are same in public sector bank and Bank Nifty today. And interestingly, here we have Cypher active, and Shark is going to get active maybe tomorrow. So Cypher is right now active, and tomorrow Shark is going to get active. And right now it's absolutely looking bullish with respect to both the index. Thereby, we are expecting bearish things to come very sooner. And with respect to Bank Nifty, so today the open and low was same. Bank Nifty from 37,920 it made high of 38,250. Here we had a small harmonic sell, and from here some 300 points correction, and then this particular number was taken out convincingly, and Bank Nifty closed near day high. So if you just see, we have a Marbusu candle in Bank Nifty. So all these things are indicating ultra bullish stuff, right? So open equal to low and the close is very much closer to high. And as pointed out, Bank Nifty has got the strongest resistance from 38,400 to 500. So multiple reasons for that particular number. So you can see the major past reversals happened in Bank Nifty from that particular zone. So here a double top and it corrected, and again here some rejections, and from the lifetime high when it was falling it came near 38,430, and from there it bounced back again, some support and again rejections. So we are going to retest this particular area maybe tomorrow. So Bank Nifty people can start part booking the profits, because we have a major price action selling number coming in. And with respect to open interest, Bank Nifty, we have got the strongest support around 38,000, and if in case this 38,000 is taken out, next immediate support is going to be 37,500. And right now there is not at all any CE being seen. Okay, so all these things are pointing to extreme bullish data. So that is why the bulls must be very much careful. Okay, and in live market we'll see how OI is acting. If in case we have OI in call building around 38,400, 500, and if in case our number matches, then we'll be looking to short Bank Nifty with our small stop loss. The make or break number for Bank Nifty, it is going to be 38,000. So as long as it is trading above 38,000, it is going to be bullish, and once 38,000 is taken out, Bank Nifty would be bearish. Anyways, for all the live updates on open interest, you could track in our Telegram channel. 38,400 to 500, so that is going to act as crucial resistance for Bank Nifty for tomorrow. And the immediate support is this previous trend line, which was resistance. So 37,800, that would be the immediate support. Then the next major support would be somewhere around 37,450. So these are going to be the crucial numbers for Bank Nifty for Jan 11. The anticipation is, if in case this bearish harmonics gets active in BNF, okay, So we could expect a fall in public sector bank or the stocks, and this we could expect the anticipation for like Bank Nifty to hit our price action selling zone, and from there somewhere around say like 38 400 500 it could come over here, and it could retest 38,000, and it could just go a little up and it could fall. So if open interest is negative, we could expect this kind of movement. If in case there is a very big gap up opening, then these resistances would be acting as support, and Bank Nifty has got the potential to go till 38,800 if in case this 400 to 500 area is taken out with a bullish open interest. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Catch up in the next update. Take care. Bye bye.